Good morning, everyone. Let us start a new session. Today also many things are there. Video is there. PPT is also there. So before going to start the session, I want to tell you something that where we can get energy for what for this, what we want for this. So we can say definitely we can say that we are taking food for this for food because food gives us energy to work and play, and without food we can't work, and we can't work also, we can't play also. Then we become day by day, if we are not taking anything we become very weak. So these food are what the basic need for the human beings. So where the foods are coming, so that means where the seeds, it is growing from a seed only. So when it becomes seed, the farmers, it is all about the hard work of the farmers only. So as the farmers, they are doing the hard work, then only we are able to eat something. That means food is coming to our plate. So there is a long journey for that. So let me share the screen. We'll learn more about this. Now this is the topic name. Please write down the topic name. The Seed Tell a Farmer Story. Grade 5, chapter is 3. So crops in various parts of India relations to their festivals. Now, so what is your staple food amongst the following? Now see. So this is jawari roti and sabji, and this is dal and rice, and this is bajra roti and sabji with onion, then wheat roti and sabji. So these all are the rotis, but what is the ingredients? Jawar roti, bajra, and wheat. So these are some important grains, different grains which are very healthy. Makai ki roti and sabji, then idli, dosa, and sambar. So these all are the very healthy foods, especially making from the grains only. Hmm? So jwari roti and sabji, dal and rice, bajra roti and sabji, wheat roti and sabji, makai ki roti and sabji, idli, dosa, and what sambar. So these we can notice also, these are of different what states, as which thing is available in that particular area, which grain is available, people they are preferring to eat that food. So student, now in this what the student will have, now you know that what are the foods in we can make from the grain. So these are the different crops of India. That means people are harvesting this type of crops, and from this crop they are using different types of foods. So rice and wheat are known as the grains. So now see, these all are the grains. Dals are known as pulses. So bajra and jwari. So this is bajra and jwari are known as the millets. Now write down this notebook. Rice and wheat are also known as grains. So these are the grains, and these are the pulses. We can say all the dals are, these are coming into this category. These are the pulses, and bajra and jwar are the millets. So these are the millets. So these are the different names. So this is rice, this is wheat, this is corn, dals and pulses, this is bajra, this is soya. I hope you now you can identify because these are the special pictures are there, and you are able to identify individually all the grains. Now these are the castor seeds, groundnuts, then jatra seeds. Then these are also black seeds, mustard seeds, sunflower seeds. These are what these all are the oil seeds. We can say we can make from these seeds we can make the oil. Sunflower seed, mustard seeds, sunflower oil, and mustard oil. These are the oil seeds. These all are what? These are all are the oil seeds. Let us hear a story from the Bajra seed. This is Bajra. I am a small seed. I am a small Bajra seed. I have stayed in this beautiful wooden box since 1940. That means Bajra came when since 1940. And I want to tell you my story. This is a long story, but not mine alone. It is also the story of my farmer. That means the farmer, what is the hard work the farmer they are doing of my farmer, what Damji Bhai and his family. If I do not tell my story, it might be too late. Now come to the story. Let us watch the video.
Harvest festivals are celebrated when crops are ready to be cut.
1 second, come to here. Yes. So this is like a story that how the farmer first the farmer is what planting the seeds, then daily basis, but preparing the salt, preparing the soil, then after that planting the seeds, then watering the plants every day. Hmm? So then after that, what the when the food grains are ripe, then they are harvesting all the food grains. Hmm? So this is the story. Then after harvesting, it is directly we can't eat it. So after harvesting, that it is being processed. Then it after the it is go to the mill. Then after that, it will what bajra atta is coming. Then like this, it is available to various shops. Then after that, we have to mama is preparing the dough for that. Then preparing the roti from that, then it is coming to our plate. So this is the story about what how the roti is coming, bajra roti is coming to our plate. This is a very long journey. So plants are grown on a large scale of feeding a large population. The practice of growing plants on large scale food or other purposes is agriculture. And the plants that are grown in large quantities, particular area, region at a specific season are called crops. So these all are coming in, not in all seasons. That means it is a specific season this crops is grown over in that particular season only. So our staple food is the food that is found what in area where we live. That means in that particular area, this food will be grown nicely. So in that every area, all foods are not available. That means all foods are not growing. That means the we can say the environment, yeah, all the things. Hmm? So our India is full of diversity and hence our staple food is also varies a lot. A single food item can be used to prepare a variety of. So let us see which region of India is rich in which food crops. So states, so these are the various states and these are the crops. First is Punjab, wheat, rice, maize, barley, pulses, and rapeseeds and mustard, sunflower, oil seeds, sugarcane, cotton, fruits, and vegetables. So these crops are what grown in Punjab. So come to Haryana. In Haryana, sugarcane, barley, jowar, bajra, and gram, rice, wheat, mustard, cotton. So these all are grown in Haryana. Then Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, wheat, sugarcane, bajra, barley, jowar, maize, chili, cotton, mango, rice, vegetable, groundnut, oil seeds, pulses. These are grown in Rajasthan. Then Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh, fruits and vegetables, spices, floriculture, medicinal, and so these things are in Uttar Pradesh. Mushroom, honey productions. Then Bihar. Bihar rice, wheat, maize, pulses, vegetable, fruits, and sugarcane, jute. These are available in Bihar. Then Gujarat. In Gujarat, rice, wheat, jawar, bajra, maize, tur, gram, cotton, groundnuts, dates, and sugar canes. These are available in Gujarat. Then in Madhya Pradesh, wheat, maize, jowar, gram, tor, urad, moong dal. So these are available. We can say grown nicely in Madhya Pradesh. So in Maharashtra, rice, jowar, bajra, wheat, pulses, cotton, sugarcane, several oil seeds, sunflower, then groundnuts and soybean. These are available in Maharashtra. Then in Chhattisgarh also rice, maize, wheat, and groundnut pulses. These are available in Chhattisgarh. Jharkhand, rice, ragi, maize, wheat, red gram, Niger, fruits. These are available in Jharkhand. Then Himachal Pradesh, off-season vegetables, vegetable seed, potato, ginger, besides soybean, oil seeds, pulses, fruits. These are available in Himachal Pradesh. Jammu and Kashmir, paddy, wheat, maize, barley, bajra, jowar, gram, apple, walnuts. These all are available in Jammu Kashmir. West Bengal rice, jute, tea, potato, then oil seeds, betel, wine, tobacco, wheat, barley, maize, these are available in West Bengal. Well, then Karnataka, paddy seeds, jowar, ragi, maize, sunflower, sugarcane. So these all are grown very nice. This region is especially which these types of food crops are grown over there. Now, let us see which region of India is rich in which crop. Now look at your states and find out what is your main food. So in that, you just think in your state, which state you are staying in, that state which crop is growing well. Crop rice. So rank of states: West Bengal, UP, and Andhra Pradesh. Rice. Then wheat: UP, Punjab, and Haryana. Then bajra: Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Then jowar: Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh. Maize: Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Rajasthan. Pulses: MP, UP, Andhra Pradesh. Overall total food: UP, Punjab, and Madhya Pradesh. From this particular region, this overall all the foods are being cultivated, or we can say are grown over there. So let us continue with the story. That means the bajra seed. What? Seed storage made of bottle gourd cells. Can you see how can store? We can store the seeds. I was born in Gujarat, Bhangam in Gujarat. That year there was a good bajra crop. There was a festival mood in the village. Our area was famous for its grain and vegetables each year. So the Ambaji kept outside from seeds from the good crops. This way our Bajra family went on one generation to another generation. Then good seeds were stored in dried ground, that is loki, which was coated with mud. Can you see? This is coated with mud, and but that year Dambaji himself made a strong wooden box to store us. So he put neem leaves to protect us from the insect. He put different seeds in different compartments of the box. That was our beautiful food. That means the bajra. That means after cultivating, after harvesting, storage is very important because we have to store it so that in a nice way, so that there should be no insects attack on that seeds. So we have to add dried neem seeds for that, and there should not be so water is falling on that. So we have to pack over this very nicely. So we can choose also boxes, so we can add the neem leaves over there so that we can protect from the insects. Now you have learned how the seeds is germinated, but do you know that for growing us, the farmer has to do a lot of hard work, right? As I told you, how the lot of hard work steps in farming. So now, what are the steps in farming? So these are the steps in farming. I want you should write down this in a notebook. First is preparation of soil. That after that, sowing of seeds, adding fertilizers, then irrigation. Then irrigation means how you are, watering. So weed protection, then we have to protect from the insect bite and all this. Then after that, after the food is being prepared, yeah, ripened, then after that we have to harvesting. Then after that, after harvesting, now it is not done. After harvesting, we have to storage it properly. So this is the what steps in farming. This is a cycle. So preparation of soil, it is the initial stage of farming where farmers prepare the soil for sowing seeds. Can you see the picture? See what is the hard work the farmer is doing. So in this process involves breaking soil clumps and remove debris such as sticks, rocks and roots. Also add fertilizers and organic matters depends on the type of the crops. What type of crop you are planting then depends on that. You have to prepare. This is the preparing the soil. Then after that, sowing of seeds. This stage is required taking care of the distance between two seeds. That means what is there should be proper gap for that particular seeds. At this stage, climate conditions such as temperature, humidity, and rainfall play an important role. So you have to concentrate on that also. So adding fertilizer is also a very important part. To maintain soil fertility is an important factor so the farmer and continue to grow. Then nutritious crops and healthy crops. And farmers turn to fertilizer because these substances contain plant nutrients. So that's why fertilizer, adding fertilizer is very important because fertilizer is needed. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, fertilizer are simply planted nutrients applied to the agricultural field and the supplement of required elements found in naturally in the soil. So adding fertilizer is also an important. Then irrigation is also important. Irrigation, this stage helps to keep the soil moist and maintain humidity. Under watering watering, so you just think if we are planting all this, then there should not be proper water. We can't there should not be proper water supply. So how it can be grow properly? So irrigation is also a very important part. Then after that, weed protection. Weed are also, these are the unwanted what plants which we don't want. What these are, we have to remove this unwanted plants so that our plant should be grow nicely. So weed protection. Weed are also unwanted plants that grow near the crops or at the boundary of the farm. So weed protection is an important factor as we decreases the wild, increasing production cost. So that's why we have to remove that. Then after that, harvesting. When we see that the crops are ripened, then harvesting. It is the process of gathering ripe crops from the field. It requires a lot of labors. That means we lot of effects. So it requires a lot of labors for this activity. So that this labor intensive activity, this stage also includes post harvesting handling. That means we have to be ready. Means. We have to properly what harvest the fruits when it is ripen. We have to harvest the crops. Then storage after harvesting, it is also a very important things. This phase of what post harvest system during which the products are kept in such a way as to guarantee food security other than during periods of agriculture. It is also includes packing and transportation of crops. Various traditional methods of storage grains, how we can store the grains. See what is being used here. See how the seeds are stored. These are the traditional method of storage grains. See in that they are storing the seeds, then that their molds, they are applying the molds like this, the outer part. So now, in those days, what Ambaji and his cousin lived together. It was a large family. Everyone in the village helped each other, even in farming also. When the crops are ready and harvested, everyone celebrated together. Oh, those wonderful days with big feast and lots of it. Then why do you think the woman who is harvesting the crops so happy? Why she is happy? Because it is harvesting time. That whatever the hard work she done, then now she will get all this. So that's why the woman is very happy and she is smiling. So do you know what that many of our Indian festivals are celebrated as happiness after the harvesting season? What are they? So after the harvesting, that means suppose we are doing something, then suppose we achieve something, then we are celebrating. Like this also, the farmers also, they are achieving during the harvest time. Whatever the hard works they are done, so they are during the harvest time, they are achieving all this, they are getting all this. So that's why it is celebration time. So that's why they are celebrating so many harvest festivals. So harvest festivals means the festivals after the food are cultivated, yeah, harvested, they are celebrating the harvest festival. Makar Sankranti in Gujarat, Maharashtra, then Onam in Kerala, then Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Bihu in Assam. So these are some harvest festivals celebrating in different festivals, sorry, in different states of India. I want you to write down this in a notebook. Makar Sankranti Gujarat, Onam Kerala, Pongal Tamil Nadu, Bihu Assam. So harvest festivals of India, this is Lohri, this is Baisakhi. Do you know many of Indian festivals are celebrated also? So Holi, Northern India, Maharashtra, then Baisakhi, Lohri, Punjab, Haryana. So these things also you have to write down this in your notebook. So let us continue the story. This is Bajra. So all the vegetables were put into the clay pot along with the fresh spices. Then the pot was scaled and kept between hot coals. The vegetable cooked slowly in this special cooker on the field. So I forgot the pot was placed upside down. That is why the dish was called upside down. So in Gujarati, ondiya would be eaten with bajra rotis freshly cooked on the chula. That means in chula we are preparing this. Hmm? Along with that, homemade butter curd and buttermilk also served. So this is undiya. Wow, so nice. So let us state your observation skill now. Does your mother too prepare any special dishes on the harvest festival? Yes. In our home also, if some festivals is there, mama is cooking some so delicious foods, right? Are they any of these? Like til tipadi, then puran puri, then kada prasad. So these are some foods. Then let us continue with the story. So farmers should grow many different kinds of crops like food grains, then grains and vegetables according to the season. So the farmers kept enough for their needs and sold the rest of what shopkeepers. As for whatever they need, they have to keep to them in their houses. Then after that, they sell out. Yeah, from the rest to the shopkeepers from the city. Some farmers also grew cotton at home. Family members spun cotton and chakra spinning wheel. This is known as charkha. Can you see in this what is the ladies doing? This is known as charkha. And from this charkha, what threads are making, then from this thread, clothes are will be made. So from where cotton fiber? This is the cotton plant. Hmm? From where we can get the cotton fiber. And this is cotton spoon using charkha. This is charkha. This is what you know video time. Now let us watch the video.
They are celebrated by different names. Festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated when crops are ready to be cut. They are celebrated by different names in different parts of the country. Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala.
Onam is the harvest festival of
It is
Kerala.
celebrated for 10 days. People sing, dance, and take part in the places. A sweet dish called payasam is prepared. Pongal.
Pongal.
Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu.
in Tamil Nadu?
It is celebrated for 4 days. People worship the sun, rain, and cattle. A sweet dish called pongal
Pongal
rice is
rice.
prepared with rice, milk, and jaggery. Good. Houses are decorated with rangoli made of rice powder. Baisakhi.
Vaisakhi, another festival.
Baisakhi is the harvest festival at Punjab.
Harvest festival of Punjab.
It marks the beginning of a new year. People wear new clothes, sing and dance, bhangra, and gidda. Fairs are held. Bihu. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. Women wear colorful saris
Harvest festival of Assam, Bihu.
and dance. Special dishes called pitha, laddus, and jaleban are prepared. Granny says, we must celebrate all the festivals with love and respect for all
All
religions.
We have to respect everyone's traditions and culture and festival also. Now come to here. Let us continue the story. I'll continue the story next time. Bye till then. So our rotis made in your home. Now I'll ask some questions. Yes, rotis are made from our home also. From which grain? You have to identify. Maybe it is from bajra, it is from wheat, it is from the seeds. Corn also. Have you eaten roti made from bajra or jowar also? What is the taste? Which one you like? Why are the fertilizers added to the soil? Because to increase the quality of the soil so that the crops can be grown very well. So what is harvesting? That means when the crops are ripening, then we have to harvest the income. That means collecting the crops. This is known as harvesting. Good job. This is the quiz link. I'll share the quiz link with you. Now the homework. Come to the homework. This is the homework for you. This is the homework for you. So what are the steps in agriculture or farming life cycle? So write the sequence number in the gram. See, boxes are there. So which one is the first one? Irrigation, fertilizing, land preparation, crop selection, seed sowing, harvesting, seed selection, crop growth. So these are the different steps we have to now what number it, which one is the first, second, and third. So this is the homework for you. Hope this is clear for you. Now the quick revision what we have learned. So the first thing we have learned how food is, what is the importance of food, and how it is, what is the hard work. That means what are the steps for growing the food, growing the crops. Now what is the journey of the crops to our plate, how it is coming, what is the hard work the farmer is doing, and what are the harvest, what are the food grains, and in which states it is belong. That means in which state it is harvesting. Then what is the festival the farmers are celebrating after harvesting their crops. So in different states it will be different. So in statewide it is quite different in different states. So this also we learned. So I hope this is clear for you. Bye bye.